it's raining cats and dogs. What? What? Animals are falling from the sky? I'll catch a puppy. Ha! Come here, little puppy.
No, Miko! No, Miko, it's an idiom. It just means it's raining very heavily.
Our picnic is ruined. I am very sad.
Don't say very sad, say, I'm so disappointed.
I'm so disappointed. Mom, where did Daddy go?
I have no idea.
The outing is not canceled. We're having our adventure right here, in our own garden.
In the rain?
In the rain. Boots on, team, follow me. See this old tree? Today, we renovate it. Our family mission.
Yeah! We will fix it?
Don't say fix it, say renovate. It means make it like new.
We'll renovate it!
Look at this wall.
The wood is very broken.
Don't say very broken, say the wood is rotten. We need to replace it.
The door thing is very old and hard.
That's a hinge, sweetie. And don't say very old. Say, the hinge is rusty.
Now we make the wood smooth, Miko. Help me.
How do I make it smooth?
Don't say make it smooth, say sand it down.
I'll hit the nail.
Don't say hit, say hammer the nail.
Hold it straight. Hammering! Now I put the color.
Don't say put the color, say apply the paint.
Applying the paint. Oops, the paint is going down.
Don't say going down, say the paint is dripping. And so is your face. Let's hang the new door.
It doesn't go in. It doesn't go in.
Don't say doesn't go in, say it doesn't fit. It is the wrong size.
Time for a quick haircut for this door.
Measure twice, cut once, superhero.
Yes, boss. Watch the master at work.
Go, Daddy, go!
Miko, hold steady.
Sara, the hinge.
It fits! It fits!
Let there be light and warmth.
Hot chocolate and warm sandwiches coming right up, builders.
Wow! This was exhausting work, but the result is breathtaking.
We didn't just fix it, we renovated our family dream.
The best backyard house ever.
When plans break, always finds a new way to be happy. Good night, builders. Tomorrow we have a massive adventure in the snow. Don't forget to join us.
Let's test your new words, Miko. Fix it.
Renovate.
Very scary.
Creepy.
Very broken.
Rotten.
Hit the nail. Hammer it. Put the color. Apply the paint. Going down, dripping.
Doesn't go in. Doesn't fit. Cut the extra. Trim it down. New plan. Good night, builders. Tomorrow we have a massive snow adventure. Join us.